Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to start or grow your e-commerce business? Look no further than Shopify, the ultimate platform for online store owners. With its user-friendly interface, scalable solutions, and extensive features, Shopify has become the go-to choice for entrepreneurs worldwide. In this video, we'll cover the latest updates and features that make Shopify the perfect platform for your e-commerce needs. From its seamless payment gateways to its advanced inventory management system, Shopify has got you covered. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description below to start your free trial today and discover why Shopify is the #1 e-commerce platform. With Shopify, you can create a stunning online store with customizable themes and templates. Manage your products, orders, and customers with ease. Integrate with popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and more. Optimize your store for search engines with built-in SEO tools. Access a vast app store with thousands of integrations. But that's not all. Shopify has recently launched several new features, including Shopify 2.0, a revamped platform with improved performance and security. Shopify Markets, a feature that allows you to manage multiple stores and currencies. Shopify POS, a point-of-sale system that integrates with your online store. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your e-commerce business to the next level. Start your free trial now and experience the power of Shopify for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce content, leave a comment below with your thoughts on Shopify, and share this video with your friends and family. Happy selling!